Scientists in Alaska recently came up with a discovery that might revolutionize construction in the cold winter months. Construction in the interior is forced to halt when concrete freezes before it dries, but a recent development may allow construction to continue. News 13's Micah Johnson brings us the details.
Scientists from the U.S. Army, the Cold Regions Research and Engineering Lab, the University of Alaska, and a program of the Juneau Economic Development Council collaborated to create a cold weather concrete. They provided a demonstration on Fort Wainwright where the temperature was around 5 degrees at the time of pouring.
We've put in a series of chemicals into the concrete. It's analogous to placing an antifreeze into your car's radiator, except we're not using the same chemicals. We are placing different chemicals, basically salts, and they depress the freezing point of the water. They do one other important thing as well, and that is to accelerate the hydration rate, or in other terms, the strength gain rate of the concrete. So it's allowing water to stay water while allowing the cement to hydrate, and you get a strong concrete then.
This cold weather concrete could allow for a longer construction season. Testing is being done to see if this new technology could allow year-round construction. Normally, when concrete has to be set in the winter, contractors are required to set up a tent and a heating device to pre-warm the ground and then keep it warm for several days. Although the chemicals used in the cold weather concrete are expensive, it does not require a tent and heating equipment. Both private contractors and government officials were at this demonstration to see if they could make use of this new concrete to save time and money.
The Department of Transportation is interested in this technology. It could extend our summer construction seasons into the fall and spring, and we are basically here to learn about the process and what applications it might have for the department. We have a standard specification that allows us to do concrete work, but basically it becomes pretty uneconomical, pretty difficult to do as the temperatures get colder, and this has the potential of saving money as well as allowing projects to be completed in a single year rather than having to come back to finish work up in the spring. There's a lot of real potential here.
It's going to work good in small pours like this, but if you were to try to pour this whole thing at once, you'd end up losing it. Certain applications, wintertime, wintertime work anyhow, you're doing small areas as well. I'm definitely going to use it. I'm going to try to promote it. You get a slab like that size, that's a garage size slab, could be good, real good for residential. Commercial, that's completely different. That's because you're trying to do large spaces. This is small. Time will tell.